Today, we'll review how you can modify your path variable and how doing so can help you manage your cloud infrastructure. First, what is the path? In a Linux system, the path, represented as a $ followed by all uppercase letters PATH, is an environment variable that contains a list of directories separated by colons. When you type a command into the terminal, the system searches each directory listed in the path variable in order to find the executable file that corresponds to the command you entered. For example, let's say that you type the command ls into the terminal. The system will search each directory listed in the path in order left to right until it finds the ls executable. By default, the path variable on most Linux systems include directories such as /usr/bin, /bin, and /usr/local/bin. In a typical Linux configuration, these directories contain many of the most commonly used binaries on the system. While we're starting here with a fresh Linode running Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, this video should be relevant to pretty much any Linux system. To see the contents of your path variable, you can type echo $path into the terminal and then hit return. Here I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and this is what my path looks like. Remember that the colons here separate each directory. But let's say that I have a program that I run quite often to manage my website or what have you. Maybe it's Nextcloud's command line, maybe it's the CLI for the web framework that you're developing. Currently, I have to cd into the applications directory and then run the terminal or CLI program by typing it in with a / preceding it. So ./occ, ./cobalt, what have you. However, you can modify your path variable to include pretty much any directory. For example, we can temporarily add a directory to our path by running the command export path equals and then a quotation mark, $path, :/etc/directory or what have you with a closing quotation mark. Now obviously you would replace /etc/directory with the directory you wanted to add to your path. But let's actually break down what's happening here and what each part does. The export command sets environment variables. It takes the argument path equals, and this tells the export command we want to set a value for the path environment variable. Next, whatever is in the quotation marks is what the path will be set equal to. So in this example, we're actually using the existing value of path as the beginning of the variable. The shell will automatically replace the path here with the value of path before setting the new value. Finally, we have a colon, followed by the directory we want to add to our path value. Once we run this command, we can run echo $path again and see that our new directory was added to the end of the path environment variable. But this is just a temporary change. The next time we restart our session, the path will be reset to its default value. We can, however, make this change permanent by adding the export command to our shell configuration file. Depending on which shell we're using, it's going to be a little bit different. The most common shells are bash and zsh, for example. To make this change for the current user only, you can edit the home directory /.bashrc and then add the export command that we used above. If you want to make this change for everyone, edit your /etc/profile config and add the export command there. Now, we'll need to actually log out and log back in to see the changes take effect here. But once we've logged out and logged back in, we can run any of the binaries in the new directory we added to our path in the command line. This can save you time and let you run custom binaries and shell scripts as commands. Hopefully, you found this video useful. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, leave us a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear from you.